Ayan, good morning. It's fishing time with Rex Mandia. Ayun. Ayan. Sama natin si Mike. It's fishing time with Joros. Ang matindi idol ng Marikina. So,
ulit na naman?
Umaga.
Ulit na naman tayo?
Ulit na naman tayo.
Anong pakiramdam mo?
Maganda.
Meron,
Ikaw.
wala?
Meron yan.
Gaano ka positibo? Ilang porsyento?
101% kasi kasama natin si Mike ngayon. Naka-uniform yan, Aquamarine Anglers.
Kung sakasakali wala tayong mahuli,
Kung sakali wala tayong mahuli, imposible yan na walang huli. Andito si Christian.
Shout out sa mga viewers dyan.
Oo. Ayan, ito yung pinaka matinik. Maraming tinik. Siya yung pinakamalaking huli.
Yo, man,
the other
yo.
day. Isang
Rockstar.
malaking tuna. Rex.
Tumag na.
Ayan. Si Arnel wala.
Bait or lure?
Lore. Bantay yung maano yung kamay mo dyan ko eh.
How many, ilang grams yung lure?
30. 300.
Sa Qatar, 60 lang. Okay na.
Ayan, dumating na. Wala bang dalang drone dyan? Drone? May baon na drone. Ayan. Ito yung kilabot ng ng North Wales. Parang iba na yung lakad. Parang nabugbog kagabi.
Lagi ka na, no? Mukha sa kakamay.
If you record the drone, we can add it in the vlog.
tapos na ako.
Wala.
Ayan.
Arnel. Okay na.
Pangpagwapo.
Ako kanina pa.
Ito ba secret? Para maging ganito yung itsura?
Oo.
Ay, ito.
Yan ang sikreto. Para magiging ganyan at tsura mo.
Para ka pumuti. Oo.
At saka ganyan din magiging yung tingnan natin before and after. Before.
Ganito.
Ha?
Yan.
Lagay na.
Yan. Oo. Okay na?
Oo.
Okay, yan.
Okay. Tingnan natin after. Yan na. After. Okay, stay tuned. Ha? Ano yung mga mukha nyo para naman mga zombi?
Sa binabaan natin?
Ha?
Sa binabaan?
Support.
Stop it. Get some help.
Tara. Danan ito maglakad. Coffee time muna bago alis. Christian and Joros. Yung bangka namin. This is my son and my
You need a life jacket.
life jacket.
You need a life jacket. Can you swim now? At the front. Okay, ready to go?
Let's go. Alright. Yung late Hassan ha?
Yes. Good morning.
The best captain here in Maldives. Alright.
I've got that lightning inside me, son of a god. I'm like a titan that's rising, oh just you watch. I'm stepping into fate, there is no time to waste. I've got that lightning inside me, this is how legends are made. This is how legends are made. like I'm going in. I'm cranking up on the throttle. This is how legends are made. This is how legends are made. This is how legends are made. Like iron from the fire.
Shoutout. Sino shoutout mo? Ha? Shoutout pati.
Pati yung i-shot. Kainin natin yung ibon. Yung mga kwan.
Para lumapit ang isda.
Para lalapit yung isda.
Masakit sa mata eh.
Ayos na po. Karirahan kami dito. Captain Hasan. F1 race! Yeah! Come on, Hasan! Oh, dalon, dalon. Yung tank.
This is how legends are made. Above it all, untouchable, a new animal. This is how legends are made. This is how legends are made. This is how legends are made. I've got the lightning inside me. Oh, just you watch. This is how legends are made. Like a titan that's rising. Oh, just you watch. This is how legends are made.
Yay! Okay na.
Ayan mo muna, para makita yung isda.
Ayan na! Oh my days! Sige! Push it! Pull it! Come on!
Keep the line tight! Keep the line tight!
Let's go! Yun! Put some motion into it.
Baligain mo.
Sige pa!
Yeah, boy.
Bruh. Come on, do like this. Yun.
Kasi ako sa gamay, kasi para maligyan siguro.
Sige pa, go!
Huwag kang mintaw. Ay, ayan. Gusto mo ng video lang?
Like this. Sige.
Wait, 5 kilo.
Go, keep on going.
There's no time for rest.
Bro.
It's almost.
Almost there. Almost there.
Very close.
Very close. Bro. Sige.
Ano kung ayaw, kung hindi mo mayangat, ako na.
Go.
Ginusto mo yan, Julius. Oh. Kanina nagsusuka ka.
Go, go! Come on, pull it, pull it. Yun!
Na pwede ka naman agad.
Hinihingal, no?
Okay, slowly,
Imagine.
take your time.
Only few minutes.
Keep the line tight.
Ayan na!
Dito na!
Hey! Red snapper!
Don't hold the lure.
Ayan na. Yes! Picture.
Shout out, shout out!
Shout out.
Pasalamat na, pasalamat!
Thank you.
Thank you, Hasan.
Oh my days.
Sure, it's a common ocean, perpetual emotion, but I don't need the comfort of any lies. I've seen the ending, and there's no ascending. Rise. Oh, back when I was younger, was told by other youngsters. You might as well be sunset beneath the earth. 'Cause I don't see what they see when they're staring at me. I see a window, a limit's a limit, and not at all.
Alright. Slowly, ah. Give me yours. Face. Yeah. So,
Here we are, on top of the stars. Never thought we'd ever get this far. We live for moments like this. We come alive in moments like this. Here we are, this is a time, like a dream coming to life. We live for moments like this. We come alive in moments like this. Moments like this. I try to take a breath, thoughts racing through my head. I try to capture it, but a picture can't hold what a heart is feeling. I just wanna stop the world from spinning, slow it all down for a minute, so that I can take it in. I can take it in. Here we are, on top of the stars. Never thought we'd ever get this.
Mag-tiktok tayo mamaya.
Katsan ko, tuna.
Yes, we're going TikTok.
Only here in Maldives.
Mag-tiktok tayo daw. Sorry. Gana ng i-ano.
We live for moments like this. We come alive in moments like this. Here we are, this is a time, like a dream coming to life. We live for moments like this. We come alive in moments like this. In moments like this. I don't wanna close my eyes. I'm feeling so alive. but no words can say what my heart is feeling. I just wanna stop the world from spinning, slow it all down for a minute, so that I can take it in. I can take it in.